This JIANBENKJ Battery Heater Pad is purpose-built for Generac air-cooled standby generators, fitting models from 9 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt, made from 2008 onward for a factory-like install under the battery. Its thermostatically controlled design automatically cycles on in colder conditions and off as temperatures rise, keeping the battery in an ideal range without constant monitoring. By maintaining a warmer battery in harsh winter weather, it helps the generator crank reliably and reduces the risk of cold-related starting failures. Continuous gentle heating can slow down battery capacity loss over time, which supports longer battery life and more dependable backup power when the grid goes down. Installation is straightforward because the pad is shaped to sit beneath the battery tray and simply plugs into the existing generator wiring, with clear instructions to guide the process. The heater pad is safety tested and certified, giving extra confidence that it will operate dependably outdoors around a critical standby power system.